In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful guide on how to install a Google Maps and how to pin it to the taskbar here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. So firstly, we need to bring up our Google Chrome. So by that, navigate at the bottom search bar and type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, wait until a best match should appear, and once it's here, please click on the open option to continue. Okay, so the moment you are being navigated to the Google Chrome browser, please wait until everything are set here before we proceed to this step. Okay, so once everything already navigated at the upper right side of that, you can see an icon like this. Please click on it to show the featured Google apps. So eventually you would be able to see a window like this where you can see maps being placed, in my case, at the first column. So click on it. And in a few moments, you will be directed to the Google Maps. Okay. All you need to do is you need to navigate at the upper right side of the screen. Click on the three dots here, scroll down, and go with this one, which is cast, saved, and share. The moment you locate your cursor here, you will be able to open up this window. Please proceed with install page as application. So please wait until this small window would appear. Click on install so that you can proceed on the installation. So once a new window has been showing up in the screen, meaning we have successfully installed it. So by that, you can now close the window. And if you will look at here at the desktop, it has been created as a shortcut file. And from here, you can check if you would like to pin it to the taskbar. You can simply click on yes, or you can simply decline the offer by clicking on no thanks. Another step on how to pin that in case you haven't received any notification, please make a right click. Okay. And from here, please scroll down, click on show more options, and eventually wait until a window will look like this would appear. Go with pin to taskbar, and in that way, you would be able to pin that here to the taskbar. Okay. So bring it up and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day, everyone.